back, MRG, another video. Now, remember earlier in a few videos back when I was introducing the Z, I was talking about my check engine light, how it's got the test pipes, and I don't have any defoulers on the O2 sensor, so it came in, guys. Came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on. We're gonna set the code and get rid of that check engine light because that's the only thing I'm throwing the code for. And yeah, so I'm gonna get into it, show you guys how to put these on in case you didn't know. I mean, there might be somebody out there that doesn't know. So this video's for you. And if you don't, hey, it's all right, you're here already. Go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, write a comment down low, let me know how I'm doing, guys. All right, guys, so like I was saying, got the check engine light. I needed to get the defoulers. I got those, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna throw them in. Now, throwing these in, what it does is it puts this a little bit of space in between the O2 sensor and where it normally is mounted on the test pipe. So essentially what this is gonna do is trick the computer and make it think that I still have cats and the check engine light's gonna go off. But in reality, I got the test pipes. So yeah, let's get into it. So here's what we got. This is it. I'm gonna take out the O2 sensor and put this. I got it in stainless steel, so hopefully it won't be rusting or anything. It came with these little copper crush washers, so that's great. This one's a little distorted. Hopefully it goes on. I've got my O2 socket, and I got my wrench, Harbor Freight Earthquake XC power wrench. Yeah, so you know, guys, like normal. First step is going to be jacking up the car. Jack up the car, put the jack stands. What did I say last time? You die, cannot blame mine. Put the jack stands, just be safe. And on top of it, speaking of using jack stands, not that long ago, Harbor Freight had a recall on some jack stands that were faulty. So you need to check their website, and if you have them, take them back and they will give you your money back or exchange them for a new set that does not have a recall on them. I mean, wouldn't it suck to be using something that you think is safe and then that shit collapse while you're under it? Fuck that. So I've already taken the liberty of jacking up the car. I'm on jack stands right now. I disconnected the O2 sensor connectors, and I also sprayed down the O2 sensor bungs with some penetrant, so make it easier to come off. The car's cold, so it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, I'm gonna get up under here and let's get to it. Let's go. So now that we're under here, here's what we're looking at. Under here, I got the test pipe. I've already sprayed it down. You can see that with the penetrant that's on there. It's already disconnected. Disconnects from right here, from these connectors, and that's from here. Just took it off of there. It's hanging right there. Disconnected it, and yeah, should be good to come off. So let's go. When all that's logical fails, beat the shit out of it, right? It always works. See, what I like to do is bring it out here, bring it off of the car, and that way I can go ahead and connect this to it, and I'll put this and this on back on the exhaust as one unit. It works out a little bit easier for me. So now that I have the unit together, I'm going to go ahead and install this back on the exhaust, and I'm going to do the other side like so, and I will meet you guys after I put everything back together. Yeah, that crush washer tried to bend it back into place and it's toast out, so it's all right. Throw it on like this. light is on from the previous code. Got it all hooked up using my Harbor Freight Special. It works though. So we're gonna read the codes, stored codes, catalyst PO420. There should be another one associated. Exactly, catalyst on the other side. And we know that's from not having defoulers. So now we're going to erase them. Yes. Codes erase. Dun 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 dun. Alright guys, and that pretty much is going to do it for the video. We installed the defoulers, we cleared the codes. Only thing that's left is to drive the car. I'm pretty sure solid that the codes aren't going to come back. Like I said, you guys just saw those were the only codes we had. We saw it without the defoulers on, so be quiet. So yeah, that's how you do it. Get rid of a code in 30 minutes. It's really that simple. Get the defoulers, throw them on, erase the codes, go have fun. Enjoy your test pipes. Peace, guys. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, man. It really does help me out. Thank you.